How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a public profile on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to make a public profile on Snapchat, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Snapchat application. Once you launch the Snapchat app, what you have to do is make sure to tap the profile icon from the top left of the screen here. Now, if you want to actually get a public profile on Snapchat, what you need to do is right at the bottom, if you scroll down, you'll find an option called Create Public Profile. So what you want to do is tap on Create Public Profile. Here you should be able to see all the benefits of public profile. Tap on Continue, Get Started, tap the Create option, and your public profile on Snapchat will get successfully created. This way you will be able to create a public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.